Mzumbe. This is the workshop that is coordinated by Mzumbe University together with Groningen University. We have been working with Groningen University for more than 20 years, and we have implemented a number of activities, including summer schools and workshops like this one. Last year, it was 2023, we had the same workshop in Morogoro, which was attended by people from different countries. It was really very nice, and we are happy that this time we are organizing the same workshop, and we have you as our participant. We understand that there are people who are on the way. They will join us tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. And the good thing is that for two institutions, Mzumbe University and Groningen University, which is in the Netherlands, we are in a position to implement a number of collaborative activities, which is very important for our countries. So I'm happy to have you as our participant. As we said that we have our expectations, and we are going to make sure that at least we'll manage to have all, to meet your expectations. That is very important. And because we are in Arusha, we have been taught that when you are in Arusha, you have to be happy. You have to make sure that you will be happy. So, apart from this program, of course, we will have 5 days workshop, where we'll have 4 days workshop from today up to Thursday in this area, but also we'll visit the court. I think I heard from someone who is really looking forward to visit the court. It will be on Wednesday, and also on Friday we'll go to Ngorongoro Crater. So the whole program is 5 days program, and we really look forward to learn new issues, but also to make sure that we are going to enjoy. So for two institutions, this is part of the activities that we have been implementing, and now we are also implementing this one as part of our collaboration. And we are really happy to have you as our participant. So karibuni sana. If you have anything, please don't hesitate. We have facilitators from Groningen University, but also from Mzumbe University. Can you please stand up so that participants will know you? Yes. Yes, these are the facilitators. And we also have Agnes, who is also coordinating this workshop. We are really looking forward to learn from all these facilitators, and Agnes is here in case you have anything related to logistics, related to payment, related to Ngorongoro. If you have any question, we are here. And also Agnes is here. We can help you with anything. So karibuni sana, and we look forward to have very wonderful workshop where we will learn the issues related to health and law, but also trying to meet each and every expectation that we are having. Thank you so much. Marlies?
Idda, welcome. Also on behalf of the University of Groningen, the Faculty of Law, and more specifically the Groningen Center of Health Law, to which we are all connected. As Dr. Idda has said, we already have a very long-standing cooperation on many different things between different faculties and departments, but now also since a number of years really between the health system management and the public administration school and the Groningen Center for Health Law, which is what this workshop program has emerged from. This year we have focused the theme more specifically also on sustainable health systems management. So that will be a sort of guiding theme for the coming days. But we will touch upon a lot of different issues together, a broad range of issues relating from, let's say, environmental factors for a sustainable health system, to underlying determinants, to mental health, to the management of the workforce, We will have a number of introductory lectures and talks today to really set the scene. We will introduce some common ideas, some concepts that will help us sort of understand the rest of the lectures to come today. I think one thing that we also really want to stress is we are here to learn together. So there will be facilitators that will give some lectures, but we will also do a lot of practical assignments and workshops. And everybody's input is really valued. I think your expertise, your experience in the room is also what really will make this workshop a big success. That's really how we can understand how law, policy, health systems, healthcare, how that interrelates. So I would say even when somebody is speaking here in front of the room, delivering a lecture, if you have a question, raise your hand. Right? If there is a comment you want to make, raise your hand. We try to be as interactive as possible, so there is as much opportunity for learning and exchange. With that, I want to say thank you for being here. A big welcome. Also, in return, thank you to Idda and the team for welcoming us. We are looking forward just to spending a very great couple of days with you and to get to know each other. Thanks.
Thank you so much. Therefore, with those few remarks, we officially declare that the workshop is opened.
Oh,